Hi, hello. Maayong hapon, good afternoon sa lahat or good morning. Depende kung saang parte ng mundo. Okay, eto. We are on our second day after nung ating check-up for, you know, itong buwan ng August ay labas-pasok. Pabalik-balik tayo for our check-up. Okay, so but before anything else, para sa mga baguhan, welcome to my Bisdako channel. My channel is all about sharing yung mga pinagdaanan ko ngayon. In my previous or mga old videos, makikita nyo doon yung aking mga laroy-laroy or the travel na makikita. But now, since medyo mayroon na tayong health issue, kaya nawala na muna sa ngayon yung ating mga travel. The only travel that I have is just to share to you yung aking back and forth from home to hospital. Hospital, go back home. Then to my family doctors, ganun-ganun. But anyway, nandito pa rin tayo para makapag-share sa inyo yung aking journey having a heart failure. So, yung ating heart condition is failing, no? But anyway, to God be the glory. And also sa ating mga subscribers, thank you so much na nandyan kayo palagi. So, ang sa ngayon, i-share ko lang yung aking araw. Usually living with a dilated cardiomyopathy. Yan pala yung aking heart issue. Dilated cardiomyopathy. So, yung aking araw, this morning, very early, nagpunta kami ng aking family doctor kasi may kinuha tayong certificate. Kasi talagang kailangang medyo may mga bagay-bagay na dapat nang gawin, related of course to my status here sa Italy. And eto, pagod. In fact, well, nakakain na, nag-lunch na kami. But before that, pagkarating talagang I was lying down in bed at nag-oxygen. Anyway, makikita nyo sa aking mga other videos yung aking ng oxygen sa help kasi hinahabol natin yung ating hininga. And medyo naka-relax na ng konti. So, eto, naka-lunch na rin and naka-take na rin ang ating mga medicines. Kaya, I grab this opportunity. Nandito tayo ngayon sa garden ng aking friend. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ito yung backyard garden, no? Ayan, di ba? Oh, see? So, shout out kay Ate Babes. Yan ang nagtulong sa akin ngayon, sa amin ngayon, na while having summer kasi ang init-init. Again, doon sa aming apartment talagang ang hirap magstay because we are on the third floor. Akit baba sa hagdanan, talagang nahirapan ako. Kaya for the meantime, courtesy with the hospitality ng ating kaibigan, si Ate Babes, we call her Ate Babes from Rojas City. So, shout out sa tanang mga taga Rojas. Talagang they have a very kind heart. And again, also reading, by the way, natutuwa ako at nagagalak habang binabasa ko ang inyong mga comments. Oy, salamat, the well wishes, yung mga comments na kaya, laban lang, and then prayer, support. Thank you so much. Hindi ko na kayo ma-mention isa-isa. You can see here, if a-flash ko dito yung inyong mga comments, ano? So again, from the bottom of my heart, maraming salamat. Okay? So this is just one of the day living with a heart failure, living with a dilated cardiomyopathy, and mine is advanced. So, nandito na ako ngayon sa screening process. The whole month of August, pabalik-balik sa hospital for check-up. So, lahat sine-check na. In fact, yesterday, yung ating mock And then the other week, yung TAC. And then sa mga first week, second week, yung ating mga blood test, urine test, ano pa, stool test, and ano pa ba yun, yung mga lymphatic, lahat ng ano na gawin. And walang masyadong komplikasyon. And by Thursday, gagawa tayo yung tinatawag nila. Sa Italian, it is called cateterismo. So, it's a sort of biopsy, parang tutusok. This coming Thursday, 29th of August, yung biopsy, i-biopsy yung sa puso kung para malaman kung gaano ka urgent na gagawin nila yung ating heart transplant. Yes, by the way pala, kaya yung screening, the purpose of the screening test is for the heart transplant possibility. Kaya yung biopsy, malaman nila the urgency or hindi pa masyadong urgent. And of course, I'm preparing for that for this coming Thursday. And then after that, on the 30th, ano naman tayo? Colonoscopy. I think that's the right term. Kung hindi man, I'm sorry. So, ito, for the last week of August, ito yung ating mga gagawin. So, ito lang, short update ha. Again, maraming salamat for your support, and I pray and I hope na you continue. Come on, like, share, subscribe to my Bizdako channel. Malaking bagay po yan talagang ngayon. I'm asking your help kasi anyway, in other video, i-share ko sa inyo ang reason kung bakit I really ask your help, and of course financially malaking bagay. So see link below kung gusto ninyong mag-donate. I have the PayPal account for the meantime. I thank God also for all the blessings na ibinigay sa akin up to now, and for the courage na binigay nila sa aking family. And again, thank you so much. Okay, bye bye till next.